Right, today I'm going to show you how to fix your own tyre instead of taking it to a shop, costing you loads of money. First, you take your tyre off the car, and if you're lucky enough, you find a screw, which is the culprit of the leak. Don't ever take them out till you're ready to do this. Earlier on I showed you pictures before this video started of the tools we'll be using to do this, so you already know that by now. So first thing we do is we've got a screwdriver, we've got pliers, and we've got a screw in here. So we pop that in there. You see the screw is going sideways, so it's always handy to know what way it's going. So then you pull it out. Right, that didn't seem to be making much air, so maybe it hasn't punctured after all, so we should put a bit of a wet on it, and we'll first of all see it looks like there's air coming out of it, so that would represent a slow puncture. If that's the case, won't know that until I've sealed it. It looks like maybe there's no puncture at all, so in this case we've put a lot of wetness in there. I'm going to check the pressure, and we'll see that that screw went sideways. It looks like it may not have gone the whole way. Set that on. Okay, let's have a little look again. Is this leaking at all? I'd say no. I'm using spit, but there's always a bit of washing up liquid. Right, I'd say that isn't punctured, but don't worry, we'll have another video in about 5 minutes when I take the other wheel off, where we have another screw that's gone through, and we'll repair that one. So for now, this is a no-go, no repair, just precautionary check. That tyre is okay, go back on. See you in part 2 of the next video. Over and out.